I don't know if I can ride this bike with no hands. That's the only thing I am a bit concerned about. I had to fill the tires up. I don't own a bike currently. I own dirt bikes, but no mountain bike, no pedal bike. Ooh, it goes. It goes. I was worried about this. My hands are gonna get so cold. But breakfast. I much prefer a breakfast date over like, oh God, we got potholes. See, I'm gonna whiff it. Oh, yeah, it's good. Oh God, the neighbor's dogs are gonna eat me. There's a... You ever seen the Teton Juggler? He could do this probably with like one in each hand blindfolded. Oh God, this is so much better now on pavement. As long as I don't get run over. Oh. Gonna be so good. Oh yeah. Ooh, lucky, lucky. Oh, look at that. You might think that one's staged. Ah, now there's a car gonna hit me.